General Studies and Engineering Aptitude Multiple Choice Questions. Part 3. Question number is Atomic theory was given by option A Dalton, option B Niels Bohr, option C Newton, option D Pascal. The answer is Dalton. Question number 22. Rome is the capital of option A Romania, option B Italy, option C France, option D Poland. The answer is option B Italy. Question number 23. What is the coldest ocean on earth? Option A Atlantic, option B Arctic, option C Pacific, option D Indian. The answer is Atlantic. Question number 24. What is the longest cell in human body? Option A muscle, option B hair, option C nerve, option D O. The answer is option C nerve. Question number 25. Chemical formula of glucose is option A CH3OH, option B CH3COOH, option C C6H12O6, option D NH2CONH2. The answer is option C C6H12O6. Question number 26. How many straight edges does a cube have? Option A 10, option B 12, option C 11, option D 14. The answer is option B 12. Question number 27. What is Zumba? Option A form of yoga, option B a type of fish, option C a dance workout, option D famous mobile app. The answer is a dance workout. Question number 28. Book Three Men in a Boat is written by option A R.K. Narayan, option B Oscar Wilde, option C Chetan Bhagat, option D Jerome K. Jerome, option D Jerome K. Jerome. Question number 29. Weather on the earth changes mainly due to option A due to the gravity of moon, option B its tilt on the axis, option C its revolution around sun, option D its rotation on axis. The answer is option B its tilt on the axis. Question number 30. The chemical formula of dry ice is option A C6H12O6, option B H2O, option C CO2, option D CO. The answer is option C CO2. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel.